Hello all traders. Today is Thursday, 26th of December 2024, and we're going to look at the trades that we're going to take on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500 and CFD contracts. As you see from 1 hour micro chart, the price was fluctuating during the Asian session above the previous day close and started to go down during the London session. We see that the price after New York market opening started to go up. So our plan of action for today is to wait for the volatility to calm down, and if the price continues to go up in this narrow range, we will take long position, and if it breaks the support level and goes down to test the next level of support, we will take sell short positions repeatedly. So stay tuned, and we're going to update you with any trades that we're going to take today. So we're back and waited for the pullback to be completed, and the Dow Jones was very trendy. So we took long position with setup T, and on Nasdaq the volume was low and the price reached the support area with round number and the sellers were weak, so I took long position with setup B, and now I'm taking another position here with setup C, and these are recorded on a separate monitor. And now took another long position on Dow Jones, which was very trendy with solid candle with setup T again with breakout, and the ATM closed this with profit. So these are the live market recording that I had for today. So let's review all the trades that we have taken today. These are the Nasdaq trades that we have taken later on. As you see, around 10 o'clock we had this wave of uptrend that I showed you the video, and later around 10:15 there was another pullback and wave of uptrend. So we took long positions here. First we set up C and later T again in this wave of uptrend. And on Dow Jones also we took similar trades at the same time around 10 o'clock when there was a deep pullback, and we entered here with setup B and C and T, as you saw some of them on the video. And on S&P 500 I took several long positions later afternoon on other accounts and also some of them on this account, and you see the entry and exit with setup T mainly, which was around this area around 240. So as you see, we were positive here on these accounts with the profit factor of 40, which is coming from 80% win rate, 87 from 8 long positions taken, and 50% from 2 sell short position taken by mistake, and the average win to loss ratio of 10. The largest winning trade was 420, and the largest losing trade was $14 only, which was the daily drawdown. So that was the summary of the trades taken on the futures prop firm account. And now let's review the trades taken on the CFD prop firm account. These are the trades were taken. About 10 trades were taken today on Nasdaq and Dow Jones mainly, and you can see the profit and loss of each trade. So we had only one losing trade, so our win rate was 90%, and therefore we gained about $21 today, and our profit factor also improved, as you see here. And as you see also, the equity curve is growing, and it was the yesterday close here around 188, and now it's $209 positive. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for faster scalping on the futures and CFD accounts is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.